Hai, we are Laskara Creative, tempatnya kata-kata, tempatnya karya sastra. Do you know perhaps about this? Or maybe do you know about this? Actually, in Indonesia, people who wish to be scriptwriters do not know where to submit their finished stories. And it is hard for filmmakers to find creative stories that are also demanded by audiences. And the industry has a few number of non-writers compared to the increasing number of audiences and demand for movies. Laskara Creative provides platform to connect filmmakers and potential writers, and to provide filmmakers an easy way to find potentially profitable and creative scripts, and also a growing writers community for knowledge sharing, developing skills in writing, and exploring creative story ideas. Laskara Creative will help writers to publish their stories with visual illustration to engage audiences. So there will be a ranking system and number of views for each story to give filmmakers insight on which stories that are popular and demanded by audiences. There are also paid and free online and offline classes available to level up writers' skills in writing and exploring the newest way of storytelling. Writers are allowed to submit their stories whenever they want and get a chance to get noticed by filmmakers and audiences. And why do we think there is potential in creative writing and film industry? Actually, Indonesian audiences is growing at unprecedented scale. The growing demand triggers filmmakers to produce more films with more explored genres and story plot. There are 66 million people in Indonesia who are using OTT services to watch films. There are also Indonesian film audiences who use 3 billion hours to watch films on OTT services in a month, and the number is the highest in Southeast Asia. There is also a growing demand for writing, because there are a total of 4,000 entries for script writing competition held by. It indicates that there is a high enthusiasm for writing. So there are many people who wish to be writers in Indonesia but haven't got the chance to. What are our competitive advantages? There is a growing writer community full of knowledge sharing to allow writers create and provide creative stories in various topics and genres. And there is also a system that connects writers, filmmakers, and audiences. We also provide a collection of stories with visual illustrations, number of story views, and logline provided for filmmakers to find the desired stories easily. And also we create opportunities for both writers and filmmakers to grow. These are the plans to make Laskara Creative a growing business. So, want to go on the journey to advance the creative industry together with us? Contact us through email below.